Installing drum brakes can be tricky and leaves room for error if not done carefully. Even small mistakes during installation can lead to poor braking performance. Here are some common drum brake installation mistakes that can lead to poor braking performance, noise or premature wear. Installing brake pads the wrong way is one of the most common and serious mistakes during a brake job. If the pads are not aligned properly with the brake disc, it can lead to uneven wear, reduced braking efficiency, or even complete brake failure. This often happens when the pads are placed backwards or not seated correctly in the caliper. To avoid this, always ensure the friction surface of the pad is facing the disc and fits snugly in place. This helps the caliper move freely and ensures the pads press evenly against the disc when braking, improving both safety and performance. A common oversight during brake maintenance is failing to inspect or replace the brake discs when installing new pads. Over time, discs can develop deep grooves, become warped, or wear down below the minimum thickness, all of which can reduce braking performance and cause vibrations or noise. To avoid this, always check the condition of the discs during a brake job. If you notice damage, warping or excessive wear, it's best to replace them. One of the most critical steps often overlooked during brake installation is properly bleeding the brake system. When air bubbles get trapped in the brake lines, they can compress under pressure, making the brake pedal feel soft or spongy and reducing your vehicle's stopping power. This can be dangerous, especially in emergency situations. To avoid this problem, always bleed the brake system after replacing any brake components to ensure all air is removed. It's also important to check the condition of the brake fluid. Clean, fresh brake fluid is essential for maintaining a responsive and safe braking system. Failing to adjust the brake shoes correctly is a common mistake that can lead to poor braking performance. If the shoes are too loose, you might experience a soft brake pedal, delayed braking response, or excessive pedal travel. This not only reduces braking efficiency, but can also affect your confidence and safety on the road. To avoid this, use the star wheel adjuster to set the shoes so that there's a slight drag when you manually rotate the drum. This ensures the shoes are close enough to the drum for quick engagement without causing constant contact or wear. Proper adjustment is key to effective and responsive drum brake operation. By understanding and avoiding these common drum brake installation mistakes, you can ensure a safer, smoother and more effective braking experience. Taking the time to install components correctly can make a big difference in both performance and durability.